Hello once again. My name is Don Arshman, Editor-in-Chief of Hidenet Market Reports. Today is January 8th, 2018. That's 2018. I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year to all our viewers. We're back after a couple of week hiatus, and the market has been very quiet, which is not abnormal during this time of year. From Latin America, Ronald Gual reports that Brazilian prices are basically unchanged. There's talk of $1 to 90 cents to a dollar, but somebody who was a very big buyer told us 95 cents to a dollar. That's what's going on there. But business has not been terrific because of Europe's lack of European holidays, and China is not exactly running in to buy. In Argentina, prices are steady. Rawhide prices are steady. There's a drop in automotive demand for Argentina's tanners, which has affected the Frigorificos. So the market should go down, but it hasn't for raw, fresh green hides. In Colombia, we have a report on January through November slaughter of 2017, and Dominican Republic livestock industry is going to increase their production for exports, so they say. And in Mexico, leather footwear sectors stand out in Guanajuato's foreign trade. Paraguay estimates of livestock grew 8% in 2018, and Uruguay, the 2017 was the highest slaughter ever. Our European this week, Madril Guolo, who lives in Bologna, and now I think lives in Milan as well, a two-city guy. Raw stock prices for the first week coming back were barely steady, a little downward pressure on some things like European cows, UK and EU cows, which ease slightly. But there's a lot of offers of US material, especially wet blue, which is putting a damper on any hope for price increases in Europe of that kind of material. Bulls are steady in Europe, but the kill is coming off, so they might even increase. We'll see in the next week or two. Everybody's waiting for Pitti in Florence, which starts in a few weeks and gives a clue about the winter selling season. And that's it from Europe. North America, by the way, there was before the holidays, American exporters tried to sell more wet blue into Europe, and they were moderately successful, but they couldn't get the full prices they would have liked. One American exporter told us this week that he was going to raise his prices because of the weakness of the dollar against the EU. We'll see what happens. North America this week, it was a quiet holiday week. There were holidays, Mondays were closed for Christmas and New Year's, which curtailed trading. Prime Asia announces that they're going to increase their tanning capacity in Asia to follow up a surge in demand. There's a story about global auto sales setting records. The Texas market was about steady between $53 and $54 FOB, with asking price at $56, $57 ignored by buyers. But the packers don't seem anxious to sell. There's a story about global auto sales that's setting a record in 2017, although there's stories that it won't be like that this year. Combined export sales for the week ending last Thursday were 303,900. Combined outstanding was down 1%, which is good. That means shipments are picking up. Doesn't mean that combined shipments are flat. That doesn't mean they're picking up. The combined outstanding was down 1%, which does mean that shipments are picking up. Slaughter exceeded sales and shipments again, and shipments were above slaughter by a little bit. Basically speaking, we're still producing more hides than we're selling in America and than we're shipping. Our forecast, you have to come to hidenet.com to see what it says, but we are right 89% of the time. Pretty good. So if you take what you know, plus what we've said, let me tell you why we're right 89% of the time, you should have a very, very good pulse for the market and could help your profits in the coming year or any year. Our market observation section this week says, where are all the highs? There's millions of highs unaccounted for in the USD numbers. So you can read about that in this week's edition too. Also, don't forget we have This Week in Leather, which talks about the leather trade worldwide, our international report, which covers, I think now, about 30 different countries, and our Insta-Trade. So check us out, hidenet.com. If you don't, you're going to miss a chance to make some extra money. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.